Hello everyone, today we'll dive into a critical and urgent issue in today's society, traffic accidents. Every year, millions of traffic accidents occur worldwide, resulting in severe consequences for both lives and property. What are the causes and how can we minimize these unfortunate incidents? Let's explore in this video. Rainy seasons and mountain roads always come with significant risks. A truck driver struggles to save his vehicle from plunging into a deep ravine, but his efforts are too late. Fortunately, he narrowly escaped. A police chase ends with the car flipping over on the road. Such reckless and dangerous actions put your life at risk and endanger others around you. Speeding and reckless driving, a car loses control and crashes into a tree at high speed. A serious car accident occurred in Fatima. According to witnesses, a Nissan Titan pickup truck carrying two people was traveling from Accra towards Tishi when it lost control of the vehicle, veered into the oncoming lane, and crashed into an oncoming Sprinter bus. At a busy intersection in Accra, a driver losing control caused a severe collision. Negligence and carelessness on the road are the deadliest enemies. Stay focused and slow down when needed to protect yourself and those around you. Luxury Ferrari collided with two other cars in Australia, leaving behind a shocking scene. Do these expensive vehicles suffer greater losses than trucks in dashcam footage? A devastating accident at Runaway Semi when a truck crashed into 33 other vehicles, causing a Ford dealership in Utah to go up in flames. This is a wake-up call. Drive responsibly, because one person's recklessness can lead to disaster for dozens of others. A family camera in Arizona captured a heart-stopping moment when a car sped by at high speed. Moments of carelessness like this can lead to tragedy in the blink of an eye. The moment of negligence, sudden braking, caused the car behind to react too late, resulting in a regrettable accident. A strong reminder that focus while driving is a vital factor for survival. It's fortunate that no serious incidents happened to the driver. Cars can be repaired, but your health and life are priceless. Always prioritize safety when on the road. Oh no! A truck overturned at a curb due to excessive speed, altering its load balance. Perhaps things could have been different if the cargo had been better secured. A valuable lesson on the importance of transport safety. collision between a pickup truck and a cement truck on the road is shocking. When a truck meets a cement mixer, the consequences are unimaginable. Traffic safety should always be a top priority. Severe fire after a collision on the road. This is a warning about the potential fires that can occur after traffic accidents. Have you ever witnessed a scene like this? Let's explore measures to reduce the risk of fires on the road. A bus catches fire on the Arizona SR 51 highway. This incident raises a warning about road safety. Always check your vehicle before heading out to avoid unfortunate situations like this. Three vehicles collide and explode on the highway. A serious accident. Drivers need to be alert and always maintain a safe distance to minimize such collisions. Speed is the enemy of road safety. Master your speed to avoid unnecessary accidents that can change your life and others forever. A truck carrying a large fire loses control and crashes onto the highway in Thailand. This dangerous situation can happen anytime, so drive with utmost focus. Accident near Randers, Denmark, when a truck lost control and hit a guardrail. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the material damage was significant. Always be conscious when driving on dangerous roads. A fiery accident involving a fuel tanker on the Pennsylvania Turnpike caused by the driver's negligence. Safe and careful driving is crucial to avoid such disasters. Accidents caused by vehicles driving the wrong way are always a big danger. Ensure you're always paying attention to signs and traffic signals to avoid being the cause of a disaster. The large truck caused chaos by damaging an overpass and affecting other drivers. This proves that big incidents can arise from a careless action on the road. A fuel truck moving too fast forced a second truck to take evasive action to avoid a collision. Fortunately, no one was injured, but high speed and lack of attention can lead to disaster. Always drive at a safe speed if you don't want to find yourself in a situation like this. Driving carefully and following traffic laws is the key to keeping yourself and others safe. Horrifying truck collision in Texas. Fortunately, the quick reaction of the survivor is a great testament to survival instincts. Nature is full of surprises. A smart maneuver saved the driver from a dangerous landslide, a lesson worth remembering for all of us. An accident on the M4 near Swindon, UK worried everyone, but the miracle is that everyone is safe. A spectacular display of speed. But choosing a safer route is better if a tire blows at Eau Rouge. Thought it was just a lost cow. It's a lively bullfighting festival. But danger lurks everywhere. Mother Nature is not to be messed with. When the weather turns bad, it's best to take shelter rather than risk it on the road. So a head-on collision between two trucks in Russia. It's hard to believe the driver was thrown out of the cabin and survived. A lesson about the importance of seatbelts. A horrifying moment, a Porsche crashes into a truck on the highway, leaving everyone who witnessed it holding their breath. A little distraction while adjusting the radio can lead to serious consequences. Don't let carelessness turn you into a traffic accident victim. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the most memorable moments. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on the exciting content next. See you in the next video.